What if you could restart your life with the power of artificial intelligence? Today, if I had to start learning AI from scratch in 2025, no tech background, no degree, this is exactly how I'd do it. Simple, step-by-step, real world, and zero fluff. This video is your blueprint. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, hit that like button if you're ready to level up in the age of it. Subscribe if you want real, practical advice on money, AI, and freedom every single week. Step 1. Understand what AI is. If you're starting fresh, you don't need to learn coding first. First, you need to understand what AI actually is. Think of AI as a tool that mimics human thinking, an engine that can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions. It powers things like ChatGPT, YouTube recommendations, self-driving cars, and even smart investing apps. Learn basics from YouTube channels like Crash Course or spend 2 hours just getting familiar with terms like machine learning, neural networks, and automation. Step 2. Pick your purpose. Don't get lost trying to learn everything. Ask yourself this: what do I want AI to do for me? Do you want to build a side hustle, automate your work, land a tech job, build apps? Once you choose a purpose, your learning path becomes clear. Step 3. Learn AI tools. Here's the fun part: you can do amazing things with AI without knowing how to code. Start with no-code AI tools, ChatGPT for content, research, automation, Midjourney or DALL-E for image generation, Pika or Runway Mel for video content, Notion AI or Copy AI for productivity and writing. Spend 1 week playing with these. Try solving real problems. Can you create a YouTube script, design a logo, write an email campaign? Use these tools like you use Google as a creative assistant. Step 4. Monetize what you learn. AI is cool, but if it doesn't make you money or save time, what's the point? Once you get comfortable with the tools, start monetizing your skills. Offer AI-powered content creation to small businesses. Use AI to create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or graphics. Start affiliate marketing with AI-generated content. Automate social media for others using tools like ChatGPT plus Canva plus Zapier. You don't need a huge audience. You just need to offer value. Step 5. Learn just enough code. Now, if you're serious and want to go deeper, learn a little Python. Why? Because Python is the language of AI. Free platforms like Kaggle, Google, Colab, or FreeCodeCamp can help you learn the basics. No need to become a data scientist overnight. Just understand how models work, how data flows. Once you can tweak simple AI scripts, unlock unlimited power. Step 6. Join the AI community. Don't do this alone. Join Twitter, X Spaces, Reddit groups like Arler McAneel, and Discord communities for tools like Midjourney, GPT, and more. You'll learn 10x faster just by seeing what others are building. You'll also discover what's trending before the world catches up. Remember, it's not what you know, it's who you're building with. Step 7. Build in public. Finally, start sharing what you build. No one becomes a pro in secret. Make a Twitter thread about what you learned. Post a TikTok showing how AI saved you 5 hours this week. Document the journey. You'll attract attention. Maybe clients, maybe opportunities, maybe business partners. But more importantly, you'll build confidence. Conclusion. So if I had to start learning AI from scratch today, here's what I'd do. Understand what AI actually is. Pick one purpose while you're learning it. Use no-code tools and build projects. Monetize immediately with small services. Learn light Python when you're ready. Plug into online communities. Share the journey. That's how you win in the AI era. If this video gave you clarity, do me a favor. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Drop a comment below. What's the first thing you want to build with AI? And remember, in 2025, it's not about who has the most money. It's about who has the smartest tools. Start learning. Start building. Start now.